Okay, so I do want to show you real quick. So with this high chair harness buckle, it goes in a very particular direction. So before I get too far with threading this, I wanted to show that you should test the buckle out first. Make sure it goes all in the same direction. This buckle has like little buttons on this side right here, and this side right here. This thing right here, it's a button. So you can adjust the waist a certain amount, but then it won't restrict after a certain, like, you can pull on this part and it'll tighten it. As long as you have that button pushed down, it'll make it a lot easier. But then from the child's waistband, it's like a locking mechanism. Anyway, so for this high chair seat harness, sorry, I realized just a moment ago that, and I knew this goes in a certain, like a wavy type of formation, but when you try to put it on the wrong way, it like won't thread right. You see that big old gap right there? That's how you know it's on the wrong side. Either this is on the wrong side or this is on the wrong side. Real easy to catch if you're looking for it. It's a pain in the butt to fix later if you overlook it. Just a heads up. It's these. Oops. Let's see if I'm dexterous enough to be able to do this. I don't know if dexterous is a word. Did I just make that up? That's possible. Ooh. Hey, great job, Emily. So once it's all clicked together, you're good to go. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to thread this through this hole. When baby gets a little bit bigger, you're going to want to remove this through this hole. Probably wash it a few times, of course, and then thread it through this hole to adjust the height. This piece, it only has the one, so luckily you don't have to move that much. So just wanted to show you that. It's pretty cool, pretty nifty. These are a pain. This little thing is such a pain to remove out of these and swap them out, but totally necessary when baby gets a little bit larger. Anyway, I hope this helped.